Hey Skill Squad! Getting your driver's license is a huge milestone, and passing that test the first time can save you time, money, and stress. Today I'm giving you clear, step-by-step hacks to help you walk into your driving test, feeling confident and ready to ace it. First, know the exact requirements in your state. Don't just guess. Go online and check the official DMV handbook for your area. It will tell you exactly what skills you'll be tested on, from parallel parking to stopping at a four-way stop. Print the list and use it as your practice checklist. Second, practice the test route if you can. If you know where your test will be, drive around that area in advance. Learn the speed limits, practice merging into traffic there, and notice tricky intersections or unusual road signs. Familiarity removes surprises and boosts your confidence. Third, master the basics until they're automatic. That means checking mirrors every 5-10 seconds, signaling every time you turn or change lanes, and coming to a complete stop at stop signs. Your goal is to make these habits so natural that you don't have to think about them during the test. Fourth, practice parking like it's a sport. Parallel parking, backing into a space, and three-point turns are common fail points. Set up cones or use empty parking lot spaces to simulate the test. Keep practicing until you can do each skill smoothly without hesitation. Fifth, understand the small mistakes rule. You can usually make a few minor errors and still pass, but certain mistakes, like running a red light or almost hitting a curb, are automatic fails. Know which ones are deal breakers so you can avoid them at all costs. Sixth, prep the car the night before. Make sure your mirrors, seat, and steering wheel are adjusted to you. Check that the turn signals, brake lights, and windshield wipers work. An unsafe car can cancel your test before you even start. Seventh, start calm and stay calm. Arrive early, take a few deep breaths, and remind yourself that you've practiced for this. Nervous hands can cause jerky steering, so keep your grip steady and relaxed. If you make a small mistake, don't panic. Focus on the next step. Eighth, listen carefully to instructions. If the examiner says, turn left at the next street, confirm it in your head before acting. If you didn't hear them clearly, it's okay to politely ask them to repeat. Following directions well is part of the test. Ninth, drive like it's the real world, not a video game. That means obeying the speed limit exactly, scanning for pedestrians, and anticipating what other drivers might do. The examiner wants to see that you can drive safely in everyday conditions, not just during the test. And finally, visualize your success. Before bed the night before, picture yourself going through the test smoothly, signaling, parking, and hearing the words, "You passed." Confidence is a big part of performance, and your brain practices what you imagine. With these hacks, you're not just cramming for a test. You're building real driving skills that will keep you safe long after you get your license. If you're about to take your driving test, drop a car emoji in the comments so the Skill Squad can wish you luck.